Hey, what's going on everybody? It's Josh and we're back here at the shop. Behind us we have a brand new Falcon tire trailer that we just finished wrapping and we're getting ready to install our Falcon logo. So this is the last thing to apply. The trailer will be ready, but here's a quick little tip on how to install a logo or decals to make it simple and easy for you guys to apply if you're ever out on the road or at home or trying to do it yourself. First, I've already cleaned my surface area. Got it nice and debris-free, wiped down, a little bit of water and alcohol, just make sure my area is clean. Next, I set up 2 tape tabs that I pretty much already have ready to go. So I'm going to put a tape tab on each side of my decal, just like this. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab both ends and tab it up into place where I'm looking to go. Now first, I'm going to measure our left and right. I'll measure our left and right to make sure we're square. In this case, there pretty much is no left and right between our substrate. We pretty much just have the positioning, which we know our positioning is just below on the edge right here. It's about a 1/2 inch on the edge right here. Next, we need to make sure that we're level. So that's obviously the most important part, making sure it's level and reading straight. So you're going to take your handy tape measure. I'm just going to click it up on the bottom right here, so I know my measurement is technically supposed to be 8 inches to the bottom. I'll go ahead and make that change.
Where I know that I'm gonna do something. I wanna get somewhere.
Okay, now that I got my measurements double checked and I know that we're straight, it's time to go ahead and apply. So this is the single easiest way to apply for a small decal. If you're getting something larger, you can do a center hinge, but on this particular job, we're gonna do just a right hinge, and it's small and easy enough to do. So you're just going to take your tape, run a hinge down the side just like that, grab your squeegee or credit card, preferably something with a nice, good, clean, straight edge. Go ahead and squeegee down your tape tab. Now I'm going to come to this side, and I'm going to rip my tape tab, just like that. So that way it leaves a registration mark, so I know where to line it up as I put the decal back on the side. So go ahead and pull this back just like this, like a hinge. Pull my release liner out, just like so. Bring it on over. Now I'm just going to pull the rest of my release liner out. Peel it back. Go ahead and line up my hinge, my tape tab, just like that, so I know my registration is good. And then squeegee down. Nice firm strokes. A little bit of overlap. Go back over it real quick. Okay. Now anytime there's a break line or a seam, we always cut on that line. We never want to have a patch of air in between your vinyl, or it will crack open and break, dry out, become brittle, and then become an issue. So you never want to leave air behind your vinyl decal. You always want to cut every line and then simple cut like that. Go ahead and tuck it in, push my edge down, and now I can pull my release line off. Pull my release liner back. Push my rivet down a little bit, like so. Okay, now it's time to apply our little red piece like this. So I'm going to do the same thing, 2 little tabs on each side, just like that. Now I have a couple of registration marks up here, once again, to show me where the placement is. So I'm just going to line up my registration, which is good. I'm going to go ahead and tear my tape tab. Pull off my registration marks and just fold this back over. Line up again my tape tab and squeegee down. Okay, and there you have it. the quickest, easiest, simplest way to install a decal. If you don't have any water or soap, if you have water or soap, you can always put a little bit of water or soap behind it. If it's a regular vinyl, that'll make it easier to apply bubble free, but if you're pretty good, you can do it with no water and soap, a nice clean sweep. But that's pretty much the simplest way how to install your regular decals or logos that you may be putting on at home or on your own vehicle.